I'd like to tell you a story about Eric. Eric is a divorce attorney in the Austin market. He came to us about a year ago stating that his marketing efforts had stalled out and the advertising dollars and the marketing dollars he was putting into his business, he was no longer getting the return on investment like he had prior. He had been with the same marketing company for 6 years, and unfortunately things just weren't working out like they had prior. So what we did was we analyzed what Eric was currently doing. We saw what he was doing right and what he was doing wrong, and we developed a plan on how to overhaul what he was doing and really skyrocket his results. And as we predicted, Eric was able to dramatically turn around his campaign, and within the first 7 days, he was getting 2 to 3 times as many leads as he was the week prior. So his phone was literally ringing off the hook. He was generating 7 to 10 leads per day. He had a $40,000 a month increase in revenue. You can hear this in his own words if you watch the video below here. But the beautiful thing with Eric and his business is he now gets leads on demand. Whenever he wants leads, we just crank up the campaign we built for him, and he's able to yield more leads out of it. And the most beautiful thing, though, is he has stability and predictability. He doesn't have to worry about where his business is coming from, the feast or famine mentality of where's my next case coming from. He knows that when he goes into work on Monday, he knows the phone's going to start ringing and cases are going to start coming in. So predictability is a beautiful thing in business. Here are a couple more examples. So we've got Brian that gets 30 to 100 leads per month. We've got Michael that gets 15 to 45 leads per month. We've got Tad who gets 150 to 200 leads per month. We've got Bob at 50 to 80. Robert at 115 to 200, and we've got James at 40 to 90. Now, you see here that there are big differences in the amount of leads each of these are getting, and that's because some of them are solo practitioners and some of them are larger firms with multiple partners and more case needs. So the beautiful thing about the system we've developed is you can dial it up and dial it down based on the needs of your practice. So if you're a solo and you only need a handful of new client cases per month, we can help with that. As on the other end of the spectrum, if you're a larger practice and you've got 4, 5, 6 partners, we can also help with that. So imagine for a second you didn't have to worry about where your case leads were going to be coming from. Imagine you were able to just focus on what you love to do, practice law. Imagine you didn't have to worry about setting up new campaigns and advertising and marketing and networking and generating all those leads, and you really only had to do what it was you love doing and why you went to law school. That's what our system offers. So my name is Ed Stapleton Jr., and I'm one of the world's leading marketers for divorce and family law case leads. And at this point, I'm looking for a handful more law firms to actually generate leads for. You might be asking how I do this. So I use Google Ad campaigns. We've got a very unique and proprietary methodology that we use, and we've got proven campaigns that we're able to move from market to market and yield the same, if not better, results in each market. That's why we're able to actually guarantee our results. We also offer area exclusivity. We're looking for an A player in each market, someone that is really looking to dominate their market, not someone fresh out of law school, not someone with a struggling practice living invoice to invoice. I'm looking for someone with an established business already that is looking to take their business to the next level. I'm looking to help a winner win more, okay? Who is this for? So this is for lawyers who are currently in business and they're making money. This is for lawyers who are looking for a proprietary system to generate as many case leads as they can reasonably handle. Now that's a funny statement, but it's true. Some practices are going to have needs that are quite different than others. So if you're a small solo practitioner, you may only need 5 or 10 or maybe even 2 or 3 new cases per month, whereas a larger firm may need 5, 10, 20, 50 new cases per month. And the system we've developed allows for that. So next, we're looking for lawyers and practices that are actually looking to dominate their market. We want A players that are really looking to scale up and grow beautiful businesses that stand the test of time and are predictable. And lastly, we're looking for lawyers who are willing to invest in a proven lead generation machine to skyrocket their business, as I said before. Who is this not for? This is not for startup practices. This is not for someone right out of law school. This is not for someone that just left corporate and is looking to start off on their own, unfortunately. We're not looking for practices that are struggling. If you're living invoice to invoice and you can't invest in your practice, this is not for you. We're not looking for people who make excuses and complain. We're looking for positive-minded people that are looking to scale and grow. And we're not looking for people that are stuck in information gathering mode. So if you're indecisive, this is likely not for you as well. And lastly, we're looking for people that are serious about growing their business. If the idea of growing an extra 100,000 to $1 million per year isn't really in your realm, in your thought process or in your dream realm, then this is not likely for you. The better the fit between myself and your practice, the better the results will be. We're looking for win-wins here. So if I don't think there's a fit, we won't likely move forward together. I'm not looking to just take on more business. I'm looking for the right fit here. And I'm looking to scale this across the country with people I see as good fits. So if you think this is for you, please fill out the survey on this page and let me know about your practice, and we'll determine if there is a good fit. And if there is, we'll schedule a time and we'll chat and we'll take it from there. Second, I'd like you to review all the emails that I send off. There'll be materials in there that will be important to the call. So if you have any questions, you can always email me as well, and we'll talk to you later. All right.